Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. Next step is to check if your headphones have the latest software version. Go to the JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphone should be connected with the app and then it will open for you this window. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones. Then you need to scroll down and at the bottom we have support line. Tap at this line. Here is software version. This one is your current software version. So you need to tap at the software line. If nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you enter to another window, you can update it by click download at the bottom. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these headphones with the phone, so I need to restart this phone. If you use it with the tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And if it also didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up and volume down buttons, what located at your right ear cup. We have plus and minus. So press it simultaneously until your headphones turn off. Here we go, you can release your fingers and now we should reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove or something else, and forget device. Let's do the same for LE. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have Refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, tap at your headphones, and we reconnect them. Now let's reconnect this with the app. Open JBL Headphones application and now click Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!